Hello, everybody. I'm going to make a quick video about Art 114, your summer course. I am Nancy Briggs, your instructor. Welcome. We'll be covering art from prehistoric till almost the Renaissance through the late Gothic. All right, so first thing you're going to do is take the entry verification. This is a test that you have to take for every online course, even if you're taking other courses this semester or you've taken it before. It is the same test. That's the good news. The bad news is you do have to take it for each and every course online that you take, at least for now. But I'm going to stress that you only need 70%. This does not count as a test score for my class. I know some people do that, but this has nothing to do with the stuff you're going to learn in my class, so I'm not going to give a grade for it, but you do need to earn 70%. So you can take it as many times as you want. Just get up to 70 and then you're good. You'll see this week's assignments. They are hidden until you take that test. It's as if you're not in the class, and it does say May 22nd is the deadline, but really our first deadline is May 21st, and you would have missed the assignments and you'll have an absence by then. So get on it. Take that test right away. All right, so on my course, everything is done by modules here. These things have information on them, but I've loaded them all into the first module for you, so you can just look there. So each module is set up for weeks. The first module is just the Getting Started video, which has all of the important information. It has the syllabus, it has a timeline. I will show you the syllabus very quickly so you can see the attendance policy. Week 1, this is this week, is everything is due on Sundays. May 21st this time around, you will have a reading and a quiz, and then you'll have the chapter 1 reading and 2 quizzes. Each chapter usually, other than the introduction, has 2 quizzes. It has the information quiz, and then it has the image quiz because we are image-based. Lots of weeks we'll have discussion questions. Sometimes we won't if there's a test. And the discussion will ask you a question. I'll go over this week's, and you will answer it hopefully by Thursday so that everybody has time to respond to you. Everything is due on Sunday. So if you wait till Sunday, or if everybody waits till Sunday, it's going to be sort of a free-for-all on Sundays, but we'll just see how that goes. All right, so everything is loaded already. I haven't opened all the weeks. I have to tweak some of the up until week 6. I have loaded, and all of these deadlines are there for you, and the chapters are open, so all the way up to chapter 7. So the discussions aren't open yet. I will open those, I guess, ahead of time. But the chapters, you can go ahead and just jump in and get them done. I don't care if you work way, way ahead on those. Those are there for you. All right, so let me just show you on Getting Started is the syllabus, a schedule, and then other information, what the course is about, how to succeed. Here's some tips for you. And then there's Blackboard things. If you're new to using Blackboard, how to do things on Blackboard. Those aren't my videos. Communicating with me is mostly through email. I'm not on campus. So that's the best, but we can have a phone call or a video meeting if we need to. All right, let me just stress the attendance real fast. So you can go ahead and read all these at your leisure. This is the textbook. You've already paid for that. It's all inclusive. Attendance, here is this nice handy dandy chart. This is an online 10-week class with 1 attendance per week, and that attendance is on Sundays. As per the college, you cannot be absent for 14 days or you will be withdrawn. So that's this discrepancy between consecutive and non-consecutive. So if you are absent 3 times that aren't in a row, then you'll be withdrawn. If you're absent twice in a row, on the 2nd, you'll be withdrawn. So that's the difference. So say you're absent once, and then you're there the next week, and then you're absent again, and you're there that week, and then you're absent again. On that next one, the third one, you'll be dropped. If you're absent twice in a row, on the second one, you'll be dropped. That is the attendance policy. There's always chance for reinstatement. However, I'm just going to say out of a 10-week class, if you're absent 3 times, you're already getting an F. I'm sure you're already going to be missing too much stuff. So don't be absent that much, please. All right, so that's the attendance. Go ahead and look at that. Each week you will have the readings, the quizzes, the self-graded quizzes with the textbook. There'll be 2 tests, a final, a midterm, and then weekly other things once in a while, not that much. So we have 25% for the chapter quizzes and then everything else. So the chapter quizzes do equal quite a bit of your grade. So I highly recommend not missing a whole bunch of those. I am going to drop the 2 lowest grades. So I don't accept them late. Please don't write to me and say I missed 4 chapters and now I only have a C. Can I do those now? The answer is no. 2 of them are going to be dropped anyway. Do them, they're open. Do them whenever you can. Those are there. And then everything else is here. You can see how it's graded. That's the, you can read through all this. You don't need me to waste your time with this video doing that. All right, so that's the where all that stuff is. Let me just show you over here. Video lectures. I have made lectures on every single chapter that we're going to cover, and that would be one way for you to focus on things rather than 100 things in a chapter. You can just look at the things I focus on because I make the test and the review sheet, and that would be the best way. Discussion board, that's where you're going to read your prompt and reply to people. There's no journals here. So let me just show you what I think is the best possible way to approach this online class, because it is a big class with a lot of stuff to do. So mostly you'll be doing the chapters and the quizzes, and then other little things. There's a discussion. If you scroll down to week 3, there is a review sheet. I am recommending that you go ahead and look at the review sheet, and you can edit it so you can save it. It's a list of the terms and images that you need to know for the test. So it limits what's in the textbook. So rather than the big giant chapters they have, you can look at the review sheet. You'll read the chapter and do the quizzes, look at the review sheet, and then watch my videos and take notes. And then use the review sheet and your notes for the test. That's the most focused approach to succeeding in this class. And the essays are given ahead of time as well. I'm going to make you a new video on taking an exam in a week or 2. All right, so that is my recommendation for how to go about the course. But this is all there for you to look through. It's an online class, so you don't need me to read every single thing to you. Look through everything this week. Email if you have any questions. I am here to help. All right. Thank you.